Hi, this is Dr. Roger Hannegriff. Welcome to our farm management course. Now in this video, I wanted to give you an introduction to the class, how assignments will work, and try to provide you a little bit of just introduction to the course. And I'm really looking at the syllabus. So let's dive in and take a look at what we're going to talk about this semester and how the class will work. All right, this is an online developed course. So you're going to be logging into Blackboard each week and everything will be organized by the weeks. You can see I've got week 1 highlighted. You cannot see week 2, 3, 4, and 5 and on because that is what is hidden. But each week, these will open up as you progress through the content of the semester. Now, if I click on week 1, which is what you will do, you will see this welcome video listed here. You'll see your syllabus and your first assignment is listed right down here below. But let's start with the syllabus. When I open up the syllabus, it's going to lay out the plan for the semester and it relates to your first assignment. First thing to note is this is a different formatted course. It's an online delivery course. So each week on Tuesday morning, I will release the content. Also on Tuesday and Thursday mornings from 8 to 12, I'm available by cell or by email and we can set up an online meeting if you need anything to look at. Sometimes I'll set these up ahead of time, for example, on test review days, but that's how the plan will work for the semester. My cell phone is listed here and I try to be available as best I can. Leave me a message if you need something or a text and I will try to get back to you. You've also got my email listed below. If we move through the required content for the course, really I'm looking for a time value of money or financial calculator. I prefer a 10B2 calculator. I'd like to teach you how to utilize that. You can use that as an app on your Android or iPhone, which works really well. It's really cheap. Also, you're going to learn to use Microsoft Excel. Now, some of you may be using other formats like Google Sheets or Numbers if you're a Mac user, but I'm looking for Microsoft Excel. Things will differ in the other platforms, so really I'd rather you get access to Microsoft Excel in some way. All right, as far as the course outline and student learner outcomes, those are all listed there. You can see grading is worth noting. So all the homeworks and discussion boards that I give you, which is kind of like a quiz, those all add up to be 20% of your grade. So that's an important thing for you to make sure you cover. Those are going to be homeworks that are done each week. They won't be accepted late for any reason. Now, when will the homeworks be due or the discussions? Each Friday. So once again, your course content is released on Tuesday. You've got Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday morning. Friday at noon is when those are typically due unless I change that for some reason. Next is going to be exams. You will have 3 section exams, and those are going to be worth 100 points apiece. They add up to 60% of your grade. Those exams will be based on the content each week, the homeworks and discussions that were given. Then finally, there's a final exam that is comprehensive, covering the whole semester at the end. Your grade outline and points are listed here, and then here is the syllabus for the week. So in this week, we're talking really about just the basic course information and a basics for financial management. So that's what we're doing this week. After that, we're going to be moving to an introduction to accounting. We'll move through financial statements and balance sheets, whole business planning and enterprise budgets, and then we get to exam 1 about week 6. After we move away from financial management, we will get into time value of money, start using Microsoft Excel and these calculators I mentioned. That's going to take us through the content that gives us to week 10 with exam 2. After exam 2, we will move to cost analysis, supply and demand, elasticities, how markets work, international trade. That's going to take us through exam 3, and then the final exam will be comprehensive, scheduled online at the time. All of the exams are done online, and some controls are in place to help kind of reduce some of the cheating that could happen. So you want to make sure you're always ready to do your own work, and I'll talk more about exams as we get to those weeks. All right, back to the content of the course. What about your first assignment? Well, here it is. It's a discussion. So each week you will have different homeworks, and this one's week 1, and all you've got is the discussion. Sometimes you'll have a discussion and a homework, but in this case you've got the one. If you click on this discussion and put your response in, then you can go ahead and get that saved, and really the content is the examples of the homeworks. Pretty easy. I need you to go to your syllabus, look for the most interesting topic or most important area you think of the class, and that is going to be your discussion. Pretty easy to do, but I need you to get that done. That is week 1, and that is how we will get started in our class. All right, thanks for watching this introductory video. Make sure that you get access to Blackboard and get in. If you're not getting my emails, you're not going to get this message, so that's kind of a problem. Hopefully you'll get that online through the week, and then you'll see this as my video. Make sure you're getting the messages as well. So you've got to get access to Blackboard and, again, get my emailed messages. So that's why you can keep up with what things are due and what might be happening for the week. It'll also always be listed in Blackboard, but I need you to be able to get to both. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to get the content and get the assignments submitted. All right, hopefully this helps you get started for the week. Good luck with all your classes, and hopefully we can gain some knowledge in our farm management course. Thanks.